One of the unique theories of Imam Jafar Sadiq is that everything except Allah has its opposites, but this does not result in a conflict. Otherwise, the whole universe would be destroyed. This is the theory of matter and antimatter. The difference between matter and antimatter is that in matter the electrons are negatively charged and protons are positively charged. But in antimatter, the electrons are positively charged and protons are negatively charged. Scientists have concluded that if 1 kilogram of matter collides with 1 kilogram of antimatter, so much energy will be released that the whole world will be destroyed. Professor Alfen is of the opinion that there is no other source in the universe which can generate so much energy as quasars, except explosion of matter with antimatter. Just as uranium was used for exploding an atomic bomb, helium would be used for exploding matter with antimatter. Russian scientists have already obtained antimatter of helium.